The next letter is a very easy loud sound, easy to write, you love it. L. The letter L. The letter L is written like this. The first straight line down and the next you have this L. Say that L. And then you have as a simple one like this L. So you see now from top to bottom and to your right letter L, L. We all love to eat lollipop, okay? Now hold a lollipop in your hand. Yes. Now lick it. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. That's the sound of L. Isn't it easy? We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Now give me some words. Letter. Yes. Letter. Lemon. Yes. Lamb. Small animal. Lamb. You also have the lamb hanging on top. L-A-M-P. Then we have the lion. Leaf. You have leaf. Letter. You write a letter to mama. Lime. You love to eat lime. Letter L, the sound is L. Remember the lollipop? L. L. That's the sound of L.